Hi friends, it's Miss Donna again. How is everybody? I hope everybody's great. I'm really good. I hope you guys are too. I miss you all. I have to say that every time we start because I miss everybody so much. Well, today we're still talking about plants, okay? And you remember what season it is outside? It's not winter anymore, it's spring. It is spring. So lots of our plants are growing. You might have even seen some flowers blossoming through the soil. If you go out, if you look at your trees, you might see tiny buds on the trees. The leaves are gonna start popping out. So, and I'm sure you've seen robins. There's lots of robins, Miss Donna's favorite bird. But we're gonna talk a little bit about plants today. So I want you to look at this, and I'm gonna ask you, who remembers the three basic needs for humans? Can anybody remember? Yup. Water. Yup. Food. And shelter. Yes. Water, food, and shelter. Those are our three basic needs. Okay, now, look at this picture right here. What do you see right here? Yeah, that's the sun coming up. And what are these? Plants. They're flowers. They're called daisies. And there's some grass. Okay? Now, plants and seeds need certain things to grow. Guess what they need to grow, just like we do? Water, food, and a safe place to live, a safe place to grow. You're right. They need the three basic needs that we need. You're right. There's the sun. I wish the sun would come out so we could go outside and maybe take a walk, but it was out for a little while today though. But you know what the sun does? The sun collects sunlight in the leaves of all the plants. See all the leaves right here? When the sun shines, the sunlight goes into the leaves and it produces lots of food for the plants. So they can eat, not like hamburgers and cheeseburgers and hot dogs, but it produces a sort of food for the plants to grow. Yep, you're right. Oh, anybody remember what this is called? Anybody remember? Yes, it's a sprout. Yes, there's our sprout. And what's this coming down that we need? We just said it's one of our basic needs. Water, yes. So plants need water. We need water. What does the water do for the plant? Yeah, it helps it grow. You're right. And does anybody remember what this is called? It's called dirt. There's another name too. Soil, yes. And what's underneath the soil here? Yes, the roots. The roots are underneath there. And when the water comes down, the water soaks down into the soil and goes right up into the roots. There it is, right there. This is kind of like, I think this is a bean plant because that's what our plant looks like in school right now. And I'll send another picture out this week. I'm going to try to send one picture a week of our plants at school, okay? So here we have the sprout. Does anybody remember what that is? The stem, the leaves, yes, and the roots, yes. So the water gets soaked up in the roots, right up into the stem, right up into the sprout. And when it walks right up into here, it soaks up, they're called nutrients from the soil. Nutrients is another name for food. So our food that we eat, is it the same as a plant eats? No, it's not. Miss Donna just said that we eat chicken and chicken nuggets and spaghetti. Do plants eat that? No. They have certain nutrients that are down in the soil. You really can't see them, but they're down in there and the roots take it right up in so the plant grows, okay? Whoa, look at all those plants. You know what they're doing right now? They're taking in the air that's all around them because plants need air to live. We need air to live. Does anybody remember that special air that we all need to live? Yes, oxygen, yes. And plants need oxygen, and they produce oxygen too. So I want you to take a deep breath and breathe out. That's air coming out. Did you see it? No, you can't see air. You can kind of feel it. If you go like this, you can feel the air all around you. But I don't see it anywheres, but it's everywheres. The air is all around us, okay? So plants don't have lungs to breathe, but their leaves take in all the air. So when you look at this picture, you see the leaves? The leaves are taking in all the air, all the oxygen to help them grow. And this right here is a little garden. Look at the garden. What did they plant? Look at, she's watering. There's some flowers growing. There's some trees growing. So everything that plants need is outside. They have the air. They have the sun. They have water. They have soil. All that is outside. So all the plant's basic needs are outside. This is a nice little garden. My husband and I, we plant a garden every year. One of my favorite things to plant in my garden, and you think about it too, what would be a favorite thing for you to plant? My favorite thing to plant would be raspberries, because I love raspberries. What would be one of your favorite things to plant? I bet some of you are saying pumpkins. Yup. Maybe carrots, potatoes, strawberries. I know some of you, I know Winter loves salad. She would probably plant some lettuce, corn, broccoli. Yes, those are some really good ideas. And don't forget our favorite, the beautiful, beautiful flowers. Yep. So, what are some needs again that plants have? Yes, they need water, food, and a good place to grow. And a good place to grow is right outside in the soil. How do plants collect the sun? Where does it go? It goes in their leaves. Yes, we talked about that. Plants collect the sun in their leaves. Yep. Okay. And I'm going to ask you, what's the stuff that the plants grow in? Dirt or soil? Yes, very good. Okay. When the roots soak up the food, what's that food called again that's in the soil? Nutrients. Yes, it's nutrients. And remember, they don't eat the same kind of food we do. And plants also need air. And what's that special kind of air that they need? Oxygen. Oh my, you are so smart. Kiss your brains. Yes. And then we get outside and we can plant a beautiful garden. I hope that our plants in school are doing good. Mr. Jeff is watering them every day for us. And he's going to take another picture of us, okay? So I want you to look this over, okay? And Miss Donna's going to send a book out tomorrow. It's called Planting a Rainbow. And I want you to look that over, okay? And then I want you to draw me a beautiful picture out of that book, okay? Okay, so that's it. Thank you so much, guys. Love you.